Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. During the Aero India Show 2021, R. Madhavan, the chairman of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL, has told several Southeast Asian countries and Middle East countries evinced interest in the indigenous LCA Tejas Mk1A fighter aircraft. At a vanilla price of just Rs 309 crore per aircraft, the export version of fighters are going to be different from those which are going to be inducted in the Indian Air Force. While the aircraft will be exported at a price of Rs 309 crore, making it the cheapest fighter globally, there will be extra charges for services to be provided overseas. The Royal Malaysian Air Force (RMAF) had expressed interest in Tejas LCA in 2019. For the first time ever, Tejas showcased its might during the Langkawi International Maritime and Aerospace Exhibition (LIMA) in Malaysia. 2 months back, the Defence Ministry of Malaysia has issued a notice seeking 18 fighter lead-in-trainer light combat aircraft (FLIT LCA) to replace its aging fleet of aircraft currently serving in both roles, that is, acting as a trainer as well as a fighter jet. Its present fleets include 18 BAE Hawk 108 and 208 light combat aircraft and 7 Aeromacchi MB339CM trainers. However, its entire fleet is now worn by the attrition. Last month, Malaysia has released a long-awaited tender for a new light combat aircraft and advanced fighter trainer. As per the report published in Financial Express, by the end of September 2021, the state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited HAL is expected to respond to the request for proposal or RFP from the Royal Malaysian Air Force (RMAF). The Malaysian Air Force has sent out a global request for low-cost light fighter aircraft. Speaking on the conditions of anonymity, a top officer has confirmed to Financial Express Online the company will be responding to RFP from RMAF for the light combat aircraft LCA Tejas, and it has to be sent by the end of September. The tender will close on 22nd September 2021. RMAF is planning to have 3 squadrons of FLIT LCAs in service. A squadron in RMAF context typically has 18 aircraft. Malaysia has invited proposals from various competitors including FA-50 light attack aircraft developed by Korea Aerospace Industries (KAI), M346FA fighter attack aircraft variant developed by Leonardo of Italy, Yak-130 combat trainer aircraft developed by United Aircraft Corporation of Russia, and JF-17 of China. On 1st June 2021, it was reported that 16 Chinese military planes came close to violating Malaysian airspace after they were detected conducting suspicious activity over the South China Sea, and the Royal Malaysian Air Force or RMAF has to scramble its Hawk 208 jets to ward them off. Due to this incident, Malaysia will not buy Chinese fighter jets JF-17. Otherwise, it will have to be dependent on China for its spare parts, maintenance and weapon packages. China will definitely use this as a tool to bargain its own interest with Malaysia. The export of LCA Tejas will get a much needed boost to the whole program, and HAL will get the international recognition in the global market for its design capabilities, and the product will also get validated. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.